What's good, my beautiful people? Today I have a tutorial all about these rope twists or Havana twists or Singalese twists, whatever you may want to call them. Super cute, quick, and budget friendly. I'm using FreeTress 3 times Natural Texture Braiding Hair, and I have it in color 1B, and the length is 28 inches. I'm only using one pack on my head, so I went ahead and separated my pieces. And I also went ahead and pre-parted and separated my hair out, and I have about 14 sections, and I created a combination of square parts and triangle parts for this style. I went ahead and completed the back off camera, first starting off with this Shine and Jam Magic Finger Gel, and I'm gonna pretty much coat my hair really well with this gel because I have 4C hair and my hair takes a lot of this to lay it down. If you do not like a lot of gel, you can skip this part, but for me, I feel it makes it look real nice and sleek and that professional look. Next, I'm gonna make sure I brush and smooth in that gel. That way I get that nice sleek look. And once I got that smooth, I'm gonna separate my hair into 2 pieces. It doesn't have to be even in shape, but more so even in the thickness. Now I'm going to take my braiding hair, making sure I grab it right in the middle where I have 2 even sides. I'm going to just place that right down the center of my 2 sections, making sure I smooth out my hair around that braiding hair. I'm going to take a rubber band and secure my hair and the braiding hair down. I'm going to go back in with my comb and smooth out my hair because I want to make sure it lays down nice and flat in the twist. I'm adding more jam to my hair and the braiding hair. That way I get a nice smooth finish. Then I began to twist all the way down to the ends, and I did add a knot at the ends, but you can opt to use a rubber band instead. Once again, I'm adding my jam to my section, separating that section into 2 pieces. Placing my braiding hair right down the center of those 2 pieces. Taking a rubber band, securing my hair and the braiding hair down. And twist down, making sure to add more jam to get that nice smooth look. And I repeated those same steps throughout my entire head. This style is so quick and simple to do, perfect for a wash day style. It took me a total of 1 hour and 30 minutes to complete. But it's not a style that's going to last you a whole week because I use a straighter texture hair. You can opt to use a more kinky hair and it'll definitely last you a whole lot longer. This style is budget friendly, only cost me $5.99 for the pack of hair. Then I'm going to set my twist with this Lottie Body mousse and do my edges with the Gots to Be Glue gel. I'm also going to use the freeze spray as well to set my edges in place. And this is the completed look, guys. I am loving this style. Super easy and quick to do, perfect for beginners. This style is a whole mood because sister girl was looking real crusty before, but now she is cute. I hope to see you guys in my next one.